What is up, guys? It's Jake here, and today I'll be showing you how to build a typing computer. Now I'm not going to show you how to build the entire thing because it's pretty simple. Really, there's only three things going on. Most of this isn't filled in and stuff. It's just the board that needs redstone attached to it. Okay, so the first thing going on is your screen itself. I'll show you how to build that in this video. And then the next thing going on is you're wiring down a big board, and that's it. And then the third thing going on is the actual thing that makes the letters. So since this one is the 8th node to the bottom left, if I wanted to make a Y, I would just click this and fly over here, and it makes a Y. Now again, if I want to change this specific node to a different letter, I just pick a random different letter. I think this one's O. Yeah, O, okay. And it's the same for everything. I have the entire bottom row wired up and everything. Now, one thing you're going to have to know, only have one signal going on at once. You can have two, but it'll just look weird if you have more than one, like L and J. If you do both of these at once, it will look like a U or a V. They both look the same. Yeah, a U or a V. But if you take one off, it will be only the one that you selected. So this should be a J now. Alright, so let's build it. Basically, all you'll need for this is blocks of any choice. I'm using snow because it looks nice in this texture pack. Sticky pistons, redstone dust, levers just to test out your stuff, redstone repeaters, redstone torches, and any other stuff you want. I'm just using green wool and red wool as wiring. So for ease of placing your pistons, just do this. And then on the third one up, do that. That way this becomes a 3x3 and you can get rid of this. And now make another 3x3 up here. Okay. Now, place your blocks. So if the pistons are retracted right now, you want to place them right here. Not right here, right here. And let's sleep real fast. I hope the redstone dust doesn't, or redstone torches doesn't melt it. That'd be bad. Okay. So just so you know, do not build this on the ground because it'll be pretty difficult to wire everything up. I mean, you're gonna have to dig and stuff like that, and nobody likes to dig. Except for miners. Okay. So the way you do this is from this piston you want to go back 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then over, because this is a 3x6. And then on the sides, look down, so there's nothing right here. I mean, you can put something there, it just won't matter. And then make this kind of a shape on both sides. Get me through. Okay. Alright. And now for up here, basically do the same except for a 2x5 and make a mini version of that. And then for up here you want to go back 3 in the middle 3 and 4 on the edges. So like this. Okay, so now you want to run repeaters like that. Redstone torches right there, right there, right there, and dust right there. So basically this whole thing runs off of inverted signals. And it sounds a lot more complicated than what it is. You don't need a repeater right there. Put your dust right there. And you're going to need blocks on top of these dusts because I'll show you the difference. The dust connects and you don't want that. You could just use a repeater, but they cause a little bit of lag. But see, this side connects, this side doesn't. So that's what you want. You don't want them to connect. So put dust right there, and repeaters like that. Now your torches on these, and right in the middle, and do that, and do this. Or you could fill this whole thing with repeaters. It doesn't really matter that much. It doesn't cause like a huge delay or anything. It's just good to keep as little delay as possible. But okay. So now everything should be wired up so it's against the block of choice. Now I'll be using green wool for my actual wiring. Let's come out this far. Okay. So you always want to come one below the torch. So if the torch is right here, you want your block to be right here. So if the torch is right here, you want your block to be right there. That's why I did the different color wools, so you could really see that. And then, all you have to do to invert the torch is simply run power into the block below it. That's why you have to be one below it. Alright. So now place your dust. Might need repeaters here, but, you know, whatever. Alright. And sorry if you can hear my controller. It's a very old controller. It creaks and stuff, and it's really annoying. I need a Scruff 1 controller because those are awesome. I mean, that's really the only reason I need it, because they're awesome. They're professional gaming controllers, and it would be perfect for Minecraft because there's this thing called draw distance in your trigger, and they have that set up so it can be whatever draw distance you want. So I think that's an awesome feature. Now I'm pretty sure, okay, that's powered, so you don't want that. Let's bring that out to there, and you should be fine. Right? Yeah, you're fine. Okay. But yeah, so the less draw distance you have in your controller's triggers, the easier it would be to place and destroy and also shoot for things like Advanced Warfare. That's one of the things I want to get soon. Yeah, just anything that needs a quick fire trigger, something like that, that you need to really pull it quick and stuff. And yeah, it would just be perfect because, you know, Minecraft, you're placing and destroying blocks all the time, so basically all I need is Halo, the remastered versions of Halo 2, and I want to get Halo 5, and then I also want to get Advanced Warfare, and that will be it for my shooters. I'm not really into Destiny because it's all multiplayer and there's no campaign and stuff, and I know shooters are mainly online games and stuff. People don't really get them to play the campaign. It's just I don't have Xbox Live, and it really sucks. I'm gonna get that soon also. So, okay. So once you're all wired up, hopefully you didn't do it on the ground, but yeah, so put your little thingies right there, and now you can manipulate your board. So if we want to make the letter A, we will do this, this. Why aren't you working? What did I do? Did I break it? No, it just didn't make the sound. Huh, that's weird. Go away. And then this, and then this, and then this, and then this, and then this. And now, on your board, it should be an A. Look at that, how perfect. And if you don't want the, if you want it to be more like a lowercase a, just do this, and it takes the top corners away. But I like it blocky because this is Minecraft, so yeah. Okay, so now all we have to do is these things, and this is your alphabet for each individual thing. So, say for this one, which is the bottom left node, say we wanted to make an A. See, we already have it labeled A. I would just flip this lever. All the correct things are redone and inverted and stuff, and it creates an A. Or if I wanted a Y, I could go all the way down at the end and make a Y. And with this kind of a thing, you know, this kind of a thing, I don't know what you would call that, like a retractor. With this kind of a screen retractor thing, you can't make every letter, which sucks because you can't spell some stuff, but you can make most things, so that's great. So, on the next tutorial thing, I'll be showing you how to wire that up to one of these, and basically it's just repeating the process over and over and over again. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back later. Peace out.